Yeah. Hi, it's Seven. Here is my Rubik's Cube. Yeah, if you don't know what a Rubik's Cube is, it's basically a puzzle square thing, and you gotta try and match all the colors. Here, I'll show you. It is pretty hard. I mean, you just gotta, like, try and just match all the colors, like, and it's really hard. It's like a puzzle. Yeah. But they are pretty cool, though. Yeah, and they have the stand, and in case you're, like, done with it, you can just set it back on the stand where it's supposed to go. So, yeah. Just, nothing new about this thing. It's just gotta match all the colors. There's two greens and one white. But, yeah, that's just all that, stuff like that. You know, nothing new. You know, just does all that. But okay, guys, that's all I had to show for today. Okay? Peace.